Russia thought they had won, not with missiles, not with tanks, with silence. They built jamming towers across the entire front line, massive machines reaching into the sky, cutting the signal between a drone and its pilot, instantly. The drone would lose connection, lose control, and fall. No explosion needed, just silence, and it worked. Ukraine was losing thousands of drones, not because they were shot down, because they were switched off midair. Russia felt untouchable. Then one day, a drone took off from a Ukrainian field. The jamming towers activated, every signal blocked, every frequency dead. The operators watched, waiting for the drone to fall. It didn't, it kept flying, straight, steady, unbothered. As if the jamming towers didn't exist, because for this drone they didn't. And here's the part that should worry you. The country that figured this out didn't keep it secret. They're sharing it, deploying it. And now every major military on Earth is racing to build their own version. That was the moment modern warfare changed forever. Stay with us, because this is not just about drones or war. This is about something bigger. A shift in how machines make decisions, and why that shift is already affecting every country on Earth, including yours. January 2026. A Ukrainian unit reports something unusual. Their drones are entering jamming zones and coming back with confirmed hits. No signal loss, no deviation, just clean, uninterrupted flight. They didn't change the hardware, they changed the brain. So how does a drone fly with no signal, no GPS, no pilot, and still find its target? Here's how. Before takeoff, the drone is shown the world. A road, a bridge, a path, a target. It memorizes everything, then it launches. In the air, its camera scans the ground, frame by frame, matching what it sees to what it remembers. The road matches, the bridge matches, the building matches. Every moment it knows where it is and where to go next. No signal needed, no pilot needed, no instructions needed. The jamming towers activate again. The drone doesn't react, because there is nothing to jam. And now think about this. What happens when two autonomous swarms find each other in the sky? We'll come back to that, because the answer changes everything. Now it gets serious. This drone doesn't just navigate, it decides, alone. When it reaches the target, it doesn't wait, it sees, it compares, it confirms, and it acts in milliseconds, 200 kilometers per hour, from entry to impact, 4 seconds. In 4 seconds, you blink, you breathe, that's it. You cannot think fast enough, you cannot confirm, you cannot communicate, you cannot stop it. So they stopped asking humans to try. No signal, no pilot, no permission, just a machine. Just a mission, just a decision. This is not science fiction. This is happening now, and it was predicted. Experts warned about this. They explained the risks. They showed the future. Nobody acted. And now, the drone is already here. Ukraine is producing 1.7 million drones per year. This is not a weapons program. This is an assembly line. Somewhere right now, an engineer solved this problem. Not in a billion-dollar lab, but in a war zone. With limited tools under pressure, and he made it work. Then came something bigger, a system called HiveMind. Not one drone, a swarm, thinking together, acting together. One scans, others follow. They communicate directly, drone to drone. No human needed. 10 drones launch. One button, the operator watches but doesn't control. The swarm is deciding, faster than any human can follow. Destroy one, the rest continue. Jam everything, they don't care. There is no signal, there is no weakness. You cannot jam a brain. Russia spent billions trying to stop drones, and built a defense that no longer works. Now remember the question. Two swarms meet. Midair, what happens? They don't stop. They don't wait, they don't ask, they engage. Immediately, autonomously. By the time a human knows, it's already over. This isn't theory, it's been tested. Same result every time. And now a new problem appears. Who is responsible? The soldier, the engineer, the general? No one knows, because no human made the final decision, and that changes everything. For thousands of years, humans made the choice to use weapons. That rule is breaking, quietly, fast. And most people don't even see it. This technology is incredible, but it is also dangerous because it removes accountability. No logs, no commands, no trace, just a decision, made inside a machine, gone in a fraction of a second. The world is changing, faster than laws, faster than agreements, faster than awareness. And this conversation needs more people who actually understand what's happening. That's why this matters, and that's why you're here. At Curious Brain Lab, we don't just tell you what happened, we show you how it works, because once you understand, no one can mislead you. The next video could change how you see the world. It might explain something you've never questioned, or something you thought you already understood, but differently, so don't miss it. Subscribe now and stay ahead, because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.